Until now, scaling and detailing of part views within profile plots has been a page-wide setting, regardless of the size of the component. The results were end details that were difficult to view. With the deployment of ShipConstructor 2019 R2.1, these scaling and detailing issues are a thing of the past, as you now have the ability to provide each view with their own scales, as well as the ability to provide clear and accurate detailing, even within green sections. The need for this improvement is reflected by the fact that it has become one of the most requested features on our Nexus wish list. Let me give you a quick comparison of how profile plots look now and how the same profile plot will look as of this release. Here is your more typical profile plot with a user-defined web view area, flange, and profile views, all following the same scale. Now let's compare it to the new version. As you can see, now there are user-defined areas for start and end web views as well as start and end flange views. We have also added the ability to show green in detail views. Start and end views are scaled automatically to enhance the most detailed view, while dimensions are also displayed but have been placed on a separate layer. We have added a new keyword that can be used to show the scale of profile ends. ShipConstructor has provided a solution that allows users to produce a much clearer overall drawing with plot and end details, while at the same time saving the user hundreds of hours by generating these views automatically rather than manually. With the newest release of SSI 2019 R2.1, creating accurate and readable profile plots has never been easier.